our channel. We left off last episode driving through Yosemite into Nevada. The desert mountains are really quite incredible, especially being from Canada. It's not a sight that you see very often. We stayed the night in Vegas, got there pretty late, and we left super early. But on our way to Arizona, decided to make a quick stop at the Hoover Dam. It's right along the highway, so not too much of a detour, and it's free. Compared to the national parks, which have been $35 for entry, it's definitely a must-see. There is a security check when you enter for obvious reasons. The men working there were super nice and they loved Willa, so what else is new? We both have actually seen the Hoover Dam when we were younger, but maybe now because we're older, there's just so much more appreciation for the engineering. Honestly, that's been my feeling a lot in the US. The infrastructure is just massive and so impressive, and the Hoover Dam is no exception. Just my opinion, but I think it should be one of the wonders of the world. It's so incredible here. One of the best parts about the Hoover Dam is it's dog friendly. Luckily, it wasn't too hot, so Willa enjoyed herself. The walk around took less than 40 minutes and we were back on the road. As always, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!